How to add guests while booking on Airbnb. Are guests facing issues to add guests while booking on Airbnb? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To book a stay with the right number of people, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, find your desired listing. Once you select your location, head over to the certain guest amount. After you tap any, click on reserve button. After you click on reserve button, you can see this option for guest over here. Just simply tap on change. For example, if you have an amount of 3 people, then just simply tap on 3 or select 1. It will be very according to your guest stay. If you, for example, if you are just single person, then just simply deduct it by 1 and tap on save. Once you click on save, the guest amount will be changed, and that's it guys. That's why we're gonna add or remove guest on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.